Oh yeah.
Whoa! There's a party going on over there.
We weren't invited.
Massive booger.
Good morning.
Good day.
We're planning to go to a kids play museum called Kidzania, and our Uber driver told us it's in this park, so
Gotta go and find it.
Yeah, gonna go searching now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. That's Levi's favorite song right now, huh? I think it might be that building straight ahead. Oh, it looks like they have food trucks over there. Yay, we found it!
You wanna go look?
Levi, what's that? 뭐야? Airplane? Airplane. It's very cool. We're going right under the airplane. This is meant to look like an airline check-in counter, and then there to enter you go through security.
Oh, so sadly Levi is too young to participate in the activities that they have here.
Yeah, I didn't do my research thoroughly enough. And it turns out that this is, it's like a role-playing museum, so the kids choose professions like lawyer, doctor, etc. Yeah, and then each activity takes 15 or 20 minutes, and parents can't accompany the kids during the activities, so they have to follow instructions, and he's definitely too young.
Yeah. Oh well, we'll just stroll around and see what we can see then.
Yeah, and I'm really excited to try the food trucks.
Yep.
At least it's in a cool park.
Yep.
And we found this epic kids playground. You're so great at climbing now.
Oh.
Go! Woo!
Yes, please.
Levi has requested an ice lolly.
How much is that?
2,200.
Thanks, Levi.
Say gracias.
Say gracias. Thank you.
Thank you. Levi, 맛있어? Is it delicious? Oh yeah. I guess that means it's delicious, huh?
Go. 1, 2, 4.
2, 3, 4.
Levi often starts counting from 2. My shoes? Oh, shoes good. So Tim and Levi just checked out the fountains, which is super fun, but Levi isn't into it right now.
Yeah.
Are you hungry? Oh, he's just taking his shoes off. What does this mean? Levi, 들어갈 거야?
We're gonna go there? Okay, come. Come, Danny.
Oh, he's curious. Oh. Okay, they're going back in for round 2. Alright, off to the food trucks.
Was the Wawa fun? Yeah?
Tim and Levi are off to get some boba. Ooh. You already know how to say boba?
Exactly.
It looks legit.
Levi, what is this?
Wow.
Yeah.
This is his first bubble tea, huh?
Yes.
Okay, big moment.
Okay, gonna drink some boba?
What do you think? 맛있어? Think he likes it. Here's my salad. And Tim and Levi are still waiting for their hot dog and fries.
Whoa.
Levi learned a new word that he really likes. Wow. Here's Tim's hot dog. It's very good. Levi got a juice. Tim's got a lime as well. Gracias. Hey, and here's some fries.
Sour.
Did he lick it? Or missed it? Never again.
Oh yeah, the wheels on the bus go round and round. Yeah.
Yay!
What's this, Levi? Coffee.
Wow, Levi knows. So we're at this awesome mall. Uh-oh. Levi dropped his coin. He actually shouldn't be playing with coins. Omma's gonna keep this, okay? Okay, so we're at this amazing mall across the street from the park. And we got some takeaway pizza. I got avocado toast. And Jim has his coffee.
Yeah, we're all happy.
Here's this awesome mall. We didn't vlog it, but it's so cool. It has all the best shops and restaurants. And it's a beautiful outdoor mall. Okay, I'm coming. We're back at the hotel now, and in case we forgot what day it is, bam! It's definitely Valentine's Day. There's some type of special event happening tonight at the Sheraton. We weren't invited. Don't know how you get tickets, but we are more than happy to share our Valentine's Day with our love, Mr. Levi. Hi, Levi!
Hi, Levi.
And of course with each other. Love you.
Love you. Every day with you is Valentine's Day.
It's true.
Yeah.
It's true.
Yeah.
It's true. Yeah. Yeah, so the pool is closed today because they've been setting up for this event, and they said that there's probably going to be noise until 1 a.m. and we're only on the 3rd floor, so we're expecting it to be quite rowdy tonight. We shall see.
Yeah, hopefully Levi will get some shut-eye.
Yeah, we have our takeout and we're just watching some Blades of Glory.
Yeah.
Levi, 영화 재밌어? Thumbs up from Levi. By the way, here is our new room. Again, it's a mess because we're packing. It's our last night, but it's a suite. So here we have the TV, a sitting area, and the bar. And then this is the room. Hi.
Yeah. Ice skating.
Jump. Got our pizza from Rita.
Registration for the national finals.
Ooh, that looks good.
Yeah.
It's a margarita.
Do you want to make
Pizza.
Pizza.
Yay, pizza. Levi's excited for dinner.
Happy birthday to you. Oh yeah.
obligatoria VIP. Remueve el hielo en solo 3 pasos. Deja tu piel suave por hasta 28 días.
맛있어.
Muy suave. Hasta por 28 días.
You love pizza.
¿Cuánto le gustaría pagar esta noche por su habitación?
Poopy.
¿O esta?
You didn't poop.
El mismo servicio, la misma habitación, pero varios precios
Nice
diferentes.
try. You just wanted to take your diaper off.
Nadie te pregunta esto en un hotel, ¿verdad? Pero esto es exactamente lo que Trivago te ofrece. Trivago te muestra el precio en la página web del hotel y el de cientos de páginas y aplicaciones. Trivago compara.
Whoa, Levi. You've got a massive booger on your nose. Can Appa get it? Look in the mirror.
Levi, 거울 해봐. 거울 해봐. 엄마.
Yay! No boogers. Looks like there's a party going on over there. Got an accordion player. We've got Cupid dancing around.
We're having a party too, huh?
Yeah.
Happy Valentine's Day! 3, 4. You know.
That is so good.
Good night. Okay, kiss. Popo.
2, 3. Raspberry. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, Levi. 잘 자. It's 1 a.m. and the party is finally winding down. Good night.